got it. Once you open your Salesforce, you will see the place for app. So it can control app and profile can control. After selecting the app, you will see tab, profile controls tab. So inside the tab, what it has objects. Okay. So these are all objects, right? It can control objects. After clicking on the object, what you will see, you need to click on record. Okay. So inside the record, you will see buttons. These buttons are edit, delete button. Okay. So you control. Uh, First, I will give you fields. Fields. You can control fields. These are all the fields. Inside the object, you have fields. These are all the fields. We saw, right? You can make a field read only, hidden, editable, and required. Okay. Apart from that, what you can do is, and these buttons and all, if you don't give edit permission, if you don't give delete permission, this record will not be deleted. The user cannot delete. If you did not give create permission in the object, if you did not give create permission in the object, the new button will not come. So it can control access for create, edit, delete record. Okay. So if you remember this way, you will never forget. First, if I log into Salesforce, I can see my apps. Profile control the apps. Then you will see tab. Profile controls the tabs also. You can show, hide the tabs using profile. And once you click on the tab, you will see this is the object, right? So you will see the object. So profile controls the object. After that, if you click on to the object, you will see the fields. Profile controls the fields. After that, you can have these buttons, this button area. Okay, edit, delete, new button. So based on the axis you give, if you remove create axis, the new button will not be available. Okay. So apart from that, it can control the page layouts and record types. So it also has access to control the page layouts and record types. So if we are talking about page layouts and record types, it also includes the related list as well. It also includes the related list as well. Okay. So these are all the things that profile can control. Okay. We'll open on profile. Now go to setup. Search for this is the on profile, custom profile. See, before clicking on the edit button, what can I do? I can control the page layout. I can control the page layout. See, I can click view assignments. We have created one page layout, right? For custom object. Hmm. We created page layout for a ticket. Yeah. See, the other page layouts have project layout, product delivery layout, name layout. But this ticket has varies by record type. That means this one has a record type. Apart from because in no other things we have created a record type. Nothing has a record type. Only this object has a record type because we have created it. See, if you see here, you can understand. So if you click on view assignments, you will be able to see the record types. And for each record type, what is the page layout that we have created. Okay. So it will take you to that page. On that day we worked, right? That thing. See here, this area, page layout assignment. It will take us to this area. Okay. Okay, let me open again. Now profile. Open any one of the custom profile. Before clicking on edit, I can control the page layout. I can go inside the page layout and I can control it. Okay. And I can control the field level security. Before clicking on edit, I will go to the field level security. If you wanted to control the field level security for account object, click on view. I can click on edit and I can make whether it is a read only or whether I wanted to edit it. If I remove both, then it will be hidden. Okay. Click on back to profile. So here you see, we created complaint, feedback, spam, 3 record types for ticket object. If I click on edit, what happens is, see, these are all the active record types. If you remove anyone from here, for this particular profile, the user having the particular profile will not be able to see this record type. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to check here. Come and check whether the user is having the correct access for the record type. If the record type is not visible for the user, you need to come and check here. Clear? Let me show you. I will explain you what are all the things. These are all the system permissions and administrative permissions we have. General permissions. Before clicking on edit, what are all the things you can control is you can control fields, you can control the page layouts and record types. As for now, we will remove it uh, because this will be confusing. I'll cut it and I'll paste it at the bottom. Before clicking on edit, you can control the page layouts and fields. After clicking on edit, you can control apps. Okay, you can check or uncheck the app. If you check, if you remove this, the app will not be visible for the user. The default is whenever you log in, you wanted to launch your login screen to this app only. You can decide like that. If you select the particular app, whenever you log in, your app will be visible, default app. Okay. So next one is tabs. I can control my app. I can control my tab. I have 3 options: default on, default off, tab hidden. If I select tab hidden, it will be hidden. It will be hidden means where it will be hidden. If you click on the plus symbol, I can see more. I'll show you. Only few tabs are available here. If you click on plus symbol, you will be able to see more tabs. This is called a tab hidden. Default off means that will not be available even in the here also. That is default off. Okay. First, in order to show that object in tab, you need to create a tab for the object. After creating the tab only, you need to have this axis, these things. If you did not create tab, you cannot see this. For a custom object, if you did not have tab, you cannot see these things. I think you have some custom object setup, create objects. You have an object called age, amount contributed, but you cannot see those custom object in the tab area because you created the custom object, but you did not create a tab for the custom object. So this tab area, you cannot see the custom object. Okay, so first thing is after creating an object, you need to create a tab. After creating a tab, you need to decide whether it should be default on, default off, or whether it should be hidden. If it is hidden, if it is hidden, it will be hidden in here. Okay. If it is default on, it will be in the tab panel, this area. But if it is hidden, it will be hidden here. Clear? This is the place where the tabs will be hidden. You can come here and you can select. And default off is nothing but it will not be visible anywhere. It will not be available anywhere. That is default off. Okay. So you know about app is a this one. So I wanted to control what are all the app the user should see. For example, if he is a sales user, you will give only access to the sales app. You will not give access to the marketing service or any custom apps you created. You can control here. After that, he is a sales user. He has access. You should have access to few tabs only. Those few tabs you can control here for his profile. After that, what are the things? These administrative permissions. They have we have n number of permissions here. We have everything you will learn through your practice and experience. What is what? Okay. So I mean in between I will tell you few things in upcoming classes. So this you have many. Okay. In real time also what we will do is if we have any issue we will search in Google, and we will be getting answers like you need to check this checkbox to make this work like that, and we will check this checkbox. Okay. So these are all many permissions we have in Salesforce, which is practically not possible to have in mind everything. Okay. So whenever the requirement comes we can search and we can uh, enable it or disable it based on our requirement. Okay. This is the thing I said you. If you did not give create access, that button will not be available. Create button will not be available. If you did not give edit access, then edit button will not be available. If you did not give delete access, delete will not be available. If you did not give read access, the object visible, read is a visible, right? The object itself will not be available. Okay. So you need to give proper permission. You need to give proper permission. We have something called view all and modify all. View all and modify all is a very important thing which in every interview or everywhere you will they will ask this. View all, modify all. View all is a view permission. Okay. View permission for all the records, and modify all is the edit permission. Edit permission for all the records. So what is this view all and modify all means? Even though I don't have access to few objects, if I have view all and modify all permission, I can access anything in Salesforce. It is a special permission that will bypass all other permissions. Okay, it is a special permission that will bypass all other permissions. Why these permissions are needed? For example, if you are a system administrator, you wanted to give report to the management. That report means some sales report, some service report, anything you wanted to give to the management. But you are not a part of sales team, you are not a part of service team. As per the company policy, since you are not the part of sales or service team, you don't have access to the sales team and service team people, object, tabs, their app and all. But you are a system administrator and you need to have all the level of accesses. What they will do, they will give view all, modify all permission. If you have view all and modify all permission, if you in your profile, if you have view all and modify all permission, and if you don't have any access like tab access, app access, or this record, read, create, edit access, no need to worry. If you have these two permissions, it will bypass all other permission. It is like super permissions. This two permission will bypass all other permissions and it will give you all access to everything. That is the view all and modify all. In interview, how they will ask means, I don't have access to account records, but still I can see the account records. Okay, I don't have access to account object or anything, but I can still see the account. How it is possible? Like that they will ask. If you can tell, you should check whether the user is having view all and modify all permission or not. Okay. So in the administrative permission area also, you will see view all user, view modify view all data. Okay, view all data. So this is the permission that is given to super users like uh, administrators and all, so they can view the record, so that in taking the report or anything, they can easily take and give it to the management. Okay.
Children,
Yes, yes, please.
I have one doubt actually. So this is VR and modifier is object level permissions, right? So
Yeah.
that is
Object level permission. Object level permission, if I am giving, for example, if I'm giving for any object, if I give view all, I'll automatically check the read permission. If I give modify all, it will automatically check the uh, edit and delete permission. This is specific to the object here. If you see in administrative area, you will also see view all user, I mean sorry, view all permission, view all data. If you click this, then you will have access to all the records. Okay, view all data, you will have access to all the records. So if you don't check this checkbox, view all, see, you have access to all the data. Okay, see, I did not check this, I get all the permission. This is like a super permission which will bypass all other permissions. Clear?
okay. Okay.
Or is it confusing?
No, no, it's not true.
Clear, right? For clear for everybody.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, Shivendra.
Okay, fine. So
Clear.
Children,
yes,
yeah,
yes.
like VR, do we have a modifier here?
Here, I mean to say you are asking in administrative area.
Yes, yes.
I think modify all in administrative area we don't have. Modify all, modify, modify all. No, yeah, we have. Sorry, we have here. You can check this. Okay, modify all data. If you check this, many permissions will be enabled by default. Uh, Once we are using we are using system administrator, right? So how to check your profile means go to sorry, go to my setting, and personal, advanced user details, and you can see the profile that you are having is a system administrator. So for system administrator, if you click on edit, you go here, you see that view all data is checked by default, and modify all data also should be checked by default. Okay, you cannot, this is a standard profile. Standard profile means you cannot have control over it. You can edit it, but up to some extent, some many things you cannot change it. That is the standard profile because it is standard. If you wanted to make any changes, you need to clone the existing standard profile and you wanted to edit it accordingly. Okay, so I wanted to make some changes in the system administrator, but I clicked on edit. I cannot have control over these permissions. I cannot have control over the objects and all. Okay, so in that case, if I wanted to have more control over it, what I will do is I need to clone it. I need to create a new permission, so a new profile. Okay, I need to create a new profile by clicking on clone or clicking on new button. So once I click on code, this custom profile checkbox will be checked. That will say tell that it is a custom profile. In that time, you can have more control over your profile. Your permissions. Okay. Any doubts you have?
No, sir.
All right. So a profile is nothing but a collection of permissions. I will just consolidate everything and I will explain you. Profile is a collection of permissions. So what are all the permissions you have is you can control app, you can control tab. Once you log in into Salesforce, you will see app area. After clicking on the selected app, you will see the tabs. Inside the tabs, you have an object. So once you click on the object, you will see the fields. So after inside the field, how you will see means by using the page layout and record type, and you have object level access where you can have create, edit, delete. So based on this, you can add or remove. The buttons will be available whether it needs to be edited. If edit access is not there, edit button will not be there. So apart from that, you have two super permissions, that is called view all and modify all. View all and modify all will bypass all the permissions that you have. So it is like a super permissions that should be given only for administrator or people who needs it. Actually in interview they may ask like, I don't have access to account object but I can still see the records, how it is possible. So you need to tell like view all permission. Okay, so view all and modify all, that is very important. So what we can do is tomorrow we will create a profile and we will assign to the users and we will check. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you everybody. Tomorrow we will see.
Okay.
We will see
Yeah,
practically
it's
tomorrow. Yeah, thank you. Bye.
helpful. Yeah, bye.